Hi everyone, and welcome back to Esraa Codes. Today, I want to talk to you about something we've all experienced at some point, sending out job applications and hearing absolutely nothing in return. You spend hours polishing your resume, double-checking every word. You send it off to your dream company, and then silence. Or worse, a rejection email with no explanation. It's frustrating, right? Well, I had this thought. What if we could build a tool, a simple one, to help review resumes and give basic feedback? Not with AI or machine learning, just logic. Just a smart front-end interface that simulates how a recruiter might think. And that's exactly what I created. The AI Resume Reviewer. It's a lightweight web tool I built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. No backend, no frameworks, no libraries. Just pure front-end code. Let me walk you through how it works. When you open the app, you land on the index.html page. It's super minimal. You'll see a message. Click here to drag your file. You click the box, choose your resume file, usually a .txt, or just paste your content, and boom, a progress bar appears. It starts loading, just like a real processing system would. Of course, in reality, nothing is actually being analyzed in the background. It's all simulated on the front end. After a few seconds, you're automatically redirected to the next page, analysis result. This is where the magic feels like it happens. Here's what it shows. Keywords matched, JavaScript, React, HTML, CSS missing section, personal summary contact info, present score, 8.5 out of 10. Now, of course, the keywords and scores are preset. This is a static simulation, but the design gives the impression of a real-time review tool, and honestly, that's what makes it fun. Then comes my favorite part, the recommendation letter. When you click Next, you're taken to a new page that generates a ready-made reference letter for the candidate. Here's what it looks like. Dear hiring manager, I had the pleasure of analyzing Esraa's resume, and I must say, it's impressive. With strong skills in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, she's more than ready to shine in any front-end role. I highly recommend her for your team. Sincerely, AI HR Assistant. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown or want more mini front-end projects like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Esraa Codes. There's lots more coming soon. See you at the next one.